There's so many ways out there that you can make money on Google, lots of different methods. But if you have a computer, if you have a tablet, if you have a phone, I'm going to show you how you can make money daily using Google. And you can make $150 per day with this brand new method that I want to share with you right now. Now, most of you probably watch a few different videos and you've been watching videos over and over again and still cannot find a way. Now I'm gonna clear the air, and by the time you finish watching this video, you're gonna know exactly what to do, how to set up everything, and start making money right away. So I don't want you to skip this video. I want you to watch it all the way to the end and make sure you got a pen or paper. If you want to rewatch this video over and over again, just to get it clear, I'm going to make it super simple for you to understand so you can go out there and execute. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to get paid $150 daily using Google, and this is a brand new method. Now, we're going to jump into it right away. If this is your first time here to my YouTube channel, welcome. Make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Share this on your Facebook, share this on your timeline so other people can see this, because I want to make sure that I help as many people as possible to get something going, especially during this time. All right. So we're on Google Maps right now, and Google Maps, there's many different ways. And I'm sure you've probably seen a lot of different videos, but this is very unique and something that you can run with. Now, I'm going to type in plumber, right? There's so many different jobs, small businesses that you can target. So we're going to target these small businesses. This is not about sending up Facebook ads. This is not about reaching out on Instagram and do their social media. This is going to be something completely different. And it's not only on Google, but I'm going to show you some other websites that you can do this, and you can get paid daily just by doing it. People right now are looking for you, and they looking for your help. And right here, I type in plumber. There's a lot of different plumbing services and people that, already have listed their plumbing features. So look over here. There's like plumber well and pump service. There's plumber landscaping. There's Dr. Pixel J Plumber MD. Seems like that's a doctor, right? Plumber and Associates, that's an attorney. Plumber Landscaping LLC, right? So you can go through and you can find a ton. Now, what we're doing, we're trying to help these businesses get more reviews, right? So we're going to help them get more reviews. So this right here, they only have, 1 5-star. This person have 1 5-star. This person have 1 5-star, 1 5-star. So I'm going to click, let me just click on excavating, just to see what it's like. Now, if you look on here, 1 5-star, right? It is closed, of course, because I'm shooting this video late at night. And the hours as they posted, it differs due to what's going on right now. So there was only 1 review, and that was like 10 months ago. So these small businesses, they are hungry. They're looking for reviews. And down here, you can see how you can contact them. You can click on their website. Let's go look at their website. Website looks good. Here is an email, and here's a phone number. Now, there's a few different ways how you can reach out to these small businesses, and we're going to help them. Number 1, we can send them an email. Number 2, we can get on the phone. If you're an outgoing person and you want to talk on the phone, I highly recommend you give them a call. If you just want to send them an email, you could do that as well. But getting on the phone will give you a much more higher percentage closing rate than you to do over the email. Now, for the people who live overseas and in other country, email would be your best option. If you're in the US or Canada, I highly recommend you get on the phone. And if you're afraid of the phone, shoot them an email. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to help these small businesses, help them boost them up where they can have more reviews. So the more reviews that they have, the more people will want to do business with them. It's very normal. Like, for example, if I type in plumbing, right? Or plumber, let's just type in plumber. So I'll type in plumber. There's a plumber service. This person has 4-star, so I can click on this. So there's 4-star on here, right? 4 stars, and there's one. John and his son, they were fantastic. So these are some of the reviews that people are leaving. I don't know, heard they were a good company. The problem, they don't answer their phone. So that right there is huge, right? And this was 6 years ago. So we're gonna contact them. We're gonna reach out to them, and we're gonna also help them get these views. So we want to head on over to a website that is called bulkreviews.com or buybulkreviews.com. Sorry, so buybulkreviews.com. And what this website does, they are a business that they will go out and they will ensure that they make reviews for different customers, right? So they're gonna go different reviews on different websites. It's a service base. They do Facebook ratings, they do Google reviews, they do Trustpilot reviews, buy Amazon reviews, buy Web reviews, buy, right? So these are the type of things that's their services, and that's what they do. They just go out and then just give reviews. So they have they're paying people all over the world, all over the countries in different areas. And what they do, they leave reviews for customers, right? So you don't have to do any work. You're not doing any of the work. You're not going to do the review yourself. What you're going to be doing, as I said, you're going to contact these customers, these businesses, write an email, just write a nice email, reach out to them and say, hey, I realize that I'm going to show you how we can help you get more customers, get more people to want to do business with you. And then you come right here and you click on buy Google reviews. Once you click on buy Google reviews, I'm going to tell you exactly what to do next. So if you haven't liked and subscribed to my YouTube channel, now is the time to do so. Make sure you turn on that bell notification. Drop me a comment down below and I'll definitely, reply to you. Now back into the video. So once we click on here, you could see like the different quality that you can buy different Google reviews, right? For example, there's one. Let's say there's a business in the USA and there's UK. So again, you can do business in all of these 4 countries. So it's not only the US. And even if you just want to target the US, there's so many different cities, there's so many different industries. There's electrician, there's plumber, there's styler, there's so many people right now that is hungry for reviews. Of course, you're not gonna find the ones that with a lot of reviews, but find the ones that are struggling. Maybe they don't have a review, maybe they only have one, maybe they're on over here. Let's say maybe they're on, I'm gonna close this. Maybe they're on, let me type in plumber, right? Maybe they're like on the back of the Google thing. Like you could scroll down here, you can go on, on page 21, like go in the back, go like way back, like this person right here. These people, they don't have no reviews like this. They got a lot of reviews, so you don't need to target these people, right? But try to find the ones that have none or maybe one and they're struggling. So you're going to reach out to them via email or by the phone. So if they want one review, let's say they're in the USA, right? If you scroll down here, it's $1.98. Now you can charge how much you want, right? So let's say you want to do one review for, $5 or $10. You can set your own price. I'm not telling you exactly what to do because some of these people like to pay in bulk, right? So if you could find these customers, what if that, what if that person is willing to pay for 10? That's 17, $17. And those 10 reviews are going to be from people that's going to put it on there. So this is like 17. What if you say, all right, listen, for 10 reviews, quality reviews, it's going to be, it's going to be $75 or $50 or 45. You just want to make sure that you pay for this, right? And it's going to cover. So you're not going to buy this until they agree with paying you. So they're going to pay you whether through PayPal, they're going to pay you through PayPal, they're going to pay you through different, Stripe or whatever payment method that you set up. Make sure you set up when they pay you, you come over here, you buy this, and all you have to do is input the URL, right? Input whatever message that you want to put here, and then you just click on buy, right? It's the same thing for like TripAdvisor, right? I know TripAdvisor, listen, these things are going to be blowing up again. So there's going to be a lot of people going on vacations, going on holidays, and they're looking for reviews. They want reviews. People are always hungry for reviews. So find the ones that have none, find the ones that just starting out. So if they're just starting and they have absolutely no review, there will, people will pay money to do that. So you can go on TripAdvisor, you can find it. And then once you find it, let's say this one, you don't want to find like big, big hotel. Find like small ones, like small hotels, find little rooms. You can also go on, let's say, Airbnb. Airbnb would be a good one as well, right? So Airbnb, find places in USA, UK, Australia, just like what's listed here, because they only work for these, USA, UK, Australia, and RUS. It looks like it's Russia. So I don't know, but try to find these places. These are top tier countries, and just dig. Find people. Like go in here and dig, see if somebody's willing to work with you. So that's all you have to do, is just find these places, reach out to them by a phone or by email if you're out of the country, and just it's kind of like drop services. You buy these bulks. Once you buy these bulks, you'll be in the bag. So I hope this video helped. So that's how you can get paid $150 daily. And once you have this going on, people are going to tell other people, and you can price it as much as you want. There's no specific amount to say, okay, you can only, sell it for this. Well, you charge how much you want. So if you get, 5 or 10 customers a day, of course, put in the work, put in the grind. So hope this video helps. And remember, like, subscribe, become a part of the family, and let me know in the comments what you think, how to get $150 daily, by using Google. Brand new method. So check out my next video. If you got no money, no problem. I'm going to leave it up here, and you can check out the ClickBank guide. So have a wonderful day. Peace.